Meet the Kari Voutilainen Vingt-8 titanium. Crafted by legendary independent watchmaker Kari Voutilainen, who is one of the defining masters of modern independent haute horlogerie. Operating out of his Môtiers workshop, his total manufacture output remains strictly capped at around 50 timepieces annually, making every single piece exceptionally rare. The Vingt-8 titanium perfectly captures the juxtaposition between classical handcraft and modern metallurgy that defines Voutilainen's work. This 39mm titanium case reduces weight on the wrist while maintaining Voutilainen's iconic sculpted teardrop lugs and hand-finished profile. Inside is hand-finished with classic Côte de Genève and delicate perlage, then treated with traditional rhodium plating, Calibre 28. Take a look at this dial, it's pure artistry, featuring a breathtaking black and blue hand-engraved multi-pattern guilloché finish. The center section displays a radiating wave-like sunburst pattern under vivid blue enamel, while the small second subdial utilizes a dense, vortex-like spiral pattern. Look at those hands, entirely sculpted and beveled by hand. It features a heat-blued ring soldered into place. So, would you choose independent handcrafted watchmaking? Drop your comments below. Like, share, and follow for more peak horology, because at J.PENDULUM, relationships aren't measured in years, they're measured in generations. See you in the next piece.